Cheers to good food, a toast to culinary delights. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language and its colorful expressions. Today, we're unpacking a delightful phrase that's music to the ears of food lovers. Cheers to good food. This expression is more than just a celebration of delicious meals. It's a testament to the joy and companionship that come with sharing food. So, let's break it down and savor every bit of its meaning and usage. The phrase, "cheers to good food," is often heard at gatherings, dinners, and celebratory events. It's a way for people to express their appreciation for the meal they are about to enjoy or have enjoyed. But what does it really mean? At its heart, cheers is a term of celebration or good wishes, traditionally used when clinking glasses in a toast. By extending this cheer to good food, we're not just celebrating the food itself but the effort, love, and creativity that went into preparing it. It's an acknowledgement of the culinary arts and the universal joy that good food brings. This phrase holds a special place in many cultures around the world. Food is a universal language, and saying, "cheers to good food," transcends linguistic barriers, becoming a shared expression of gratitude and happiness. It reflects a common human experience, the pleasure of eating and the bonds it strengthens among family, friends, and even strangers. In many cultures, sharing a meal is a sign of hospitality and friendship, making this phrase a perfect encapsulation of those values. Using "cheers to good food" is quite straightforward. It's most appropriately used before or after a meal, during a toast where everyone can join in the sentiment. You can say it at the beginning of a meal to express anticipation and gratitude for the food. At the end of a meal to show appreciation for the dining experience. When celebrating special occasions, such as birthdays, holidays, or milestones, where food plays a central role. Remember, it's not just about the words, it's the warmth and sincerity behind them that count. So, whether you're dining in a fancy restaurant or enjoying a simple home-cooked meal, this phrase brings a touch of celebration to the table. Cheers to good food is more than just a saying. It's a celebration of culinary delights, a token of appreciation for those who prepare our meals, and a reminder of the joy that comes from sharing food with others. We hope this exploration has enriched your understanding and appreciation of this delightful phrase. May your next meal be a reason to say, "cheers to good food," with genuine enthusiasm. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep savoring the beauty of the English language. Cheers!